The first format here uses only one column for the amount. Besides that, only the date and description columns are needed. While looking at your bank statement, you may notice an additional column showing the running balance of your bank account after each and every line item. This field is not required in the importing process. Deposits, such as money received from your customers, are entered with a positive amount, while withdrawals or payments made to your suppliers are entered with a negative amount. We keep the formatting requirements plain and simple, so there is no need to include commas for amounts greater than 1,000 or include the dollar sign. In short, let's keep the format of the cells as general. Lastly, we'll have to save the Excel file as CSV. Be sure to select CSV, delimited. And that concludes the formatting of the CSV file. Now, to import the CSV file into QuickBooks Online, click on Banking. Since we are uploading a CSV file for the first time, scroll down and click on Upload Transactions Manually. Select the CSV file. Select the name of the bank account to link the CSV file with. Match the mapping fields here with the column headers in the CSV file. Recall earlier that our CSV file only has one column for the amounts, so we will also select the one column option here. And that's it.